Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with
Custom Convenience Package, Chevy Tech Spray-On Black Bed Liner, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 System, Theft Deterrent System, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Chevrolet Connected Access Capable, Power Front Windows with Passenger Express Down, Keyless Entry, Rear View Camera, Bluetooth smartphone integration, and has less than 50,000 miles on the odometer.
saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.